Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you would like to see how I made this pineapple boat, keep on watching. Okay, so this process is going so much better than the last one that I figured I'll show y'all a little bit of the second one. So I'm using a smaller knife to cut them out, and then I'm gonna scoop it when I get down, and then pour in the juice. I've got my pineapple chunks back here. One thing is get a little tricky closer to the bottom because you don't want to pierce it. Uh-oh. So I know that I poked the knife through this one. Because I can feel the pineapple juice coming out of the back of the skin of the rind. Like, yeah, as you can see, the rind is wet. And that's what you don't want. You can work it out. It's just a lot messier. And if you weren't going for that real pineapple juice flavor, it can affect the taste of your overall dish. So it just depends on what you're looking for. It's not the end of the world. So I tasted a piece of the other pineapple half, one of the squares, and it was sweet like candy. Like, it was ridiculous. Okay. These are my 2 pineapple halves. Okay. We got our shrimp. All we gotta do now is peel them. The tails off. They're already deveined and clean. This is a lot harder with gloves on. I don't think I've ever peeled shrimp with gloves on. Oh, I broke that tail off. I pride myself on keeping the little tails on because it's that much more meat. I don't know. It's not no meat, y'all, but they're just cuter. Oh yeah, I can't get this one. This glove tripping. Let's let it. We gonna blame that last tail on the gloves. Ah, that one too. Shit. Cause I can't feel what I'm doing. It's just like muscle memory at this point. I'm just going on what I normally would do. I can't feel like, see, this shell isn't off, but it feels like it is. What you say, baby? Oh, this food finna be good as fuck. Y'all, the music really do be having an effect on the outcome. Come on. Touch you in what? And what? Okay. How long? Period, bitch. Period. All night long. That's what she said. Oh, damn. Okay. Down to my last 2 shrimp. Sometimes it happens. Towards the end, I get a little impatient. I just be ripping them hoes off anyway. I didn't even use the whole bag of the shrimp because I didn't really want to feel like doing this all day. It's a technique. Alright guys, I'm going to wash them again. We're going to be back this season. Okay, so I covered them with plastic, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to marinate for a little bit, and we will continue on this process, guys. Okay, so I got my pots out. Water's warming up. I'm about to get this shown. Okay, so I'm gonna just pour a little bit of this sesame oil into the pan. What I'm actually gonna do is just coat it like that because I don't want a lot of excess oil in that dish, and the fish is gonna make enough good oils. I don't need to be adding that much, and I'm not really the most fond of the sesame taste. It will add a good flavor for this, but sometimes it can be overpowering and bitter. So I'm gonna throw my heat on low. Medium, more so. Rice going, that's gonna heat up our broccoli. And once this heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and put my salmon in there face down. And this salmon will be a little bit more blackened. Let's try some sides. Okay. I'm going to drop that broccoli last because it's not going to take long and it's not going to stay hot. I'm going to mix this rice up. Yes, honey. And those shrimp, we're going to do at the last minute as well because they are not going to take long and they're not going to stay hot. This will hold in a warmer, so I got my rice is done. So is my salmon. Shrimp are about to finish up, and last but not least, I'm gonna throw that broccoli in. But before I finish the salmon up, I'm gonna do a sweet chili salmon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead. What I need to do first is, and I'm gonna tell you to do it too, turn your heat down. Turn it down. It's enough heat in the pan because the meat is cooked. But this has a lot of sugar in it, and sugar burns fast. You don't want to burn this shit on your meat. Like nothing that you cook, it'll burn. I'm going to finish this off on low. I'm going to keep at those shrimp, and I'm going to let y'all know what that broccoli looks like. But you see how it's starting to bubble? It caramelizes very, very fast. I'm going to toss this in and be right back. I love watching broccoli cook. You can literally tell when it's done because it changes color. It turns to that green from that green. So make sure, I would normally have more water than this, but I don't have a lot of broccoli that I'm working with, so whatever. Using my wok. Y'all, I'm taking these out of the fridge and bringing them back to room temperature, and I'm placing a parchment in the bottom so that it's not too much interference between the meal and this bowl. So